later we will go to the factory to show you this production line, and you can find the spec, the data of this production line, which material we can produce 200, 300, 400, and also the thickness, the width, quality, surface, number 4 HL, number 4 plus HL plus, and other surface. This is the second production line, and also you can find the data. We will not show more details, but we have this information to show our customer if they require. And later we will go to the factory to check whether the spec and the photo is exactly same with the catalog. It's no cheating. It's totally the true situation of this factory. And also, this is a real